In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust header padding on Squarespace. This is a simple yet powerful way to personalize and tailor your website's appearance, ensuring that your site's header fits perfectly with your overall design. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've been tinkering with Squarespace for a while, these adjustments can be quite handy. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, it's time to log into your account. Look for the login button and give it a click. Squarespace offers a few different ways to log in, but for the sake of simplicity, we recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option lets you seamlessly log in using your Google account, making the process quick and painless. After you've clicked on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account, choose the account you want to use, and you'll be whisked away to your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Squarespace sites. Now that you're logged in, it's time to focus on the site you want to adjust. You'll see all your Squarespace sites listed, so go ahead and click on the specific website you're working on today. This will take you directly to the site's dashboard. Once you're in your website's dashboard, look for the edit option. Clicking this will take you into the editor mode where you can make various changes to your site, including the coveted header padding adjustment. So let's proceed to the next crucial step. In the editor mode, you should see an option that says Edit Site Header. This is your gateway to adjusting how your header looks and feels on your site. Give that a click and you'll be one step closer to achieving the perfect header padding. Within the site header settings, there will be a section labeled Edit Design. Click on this to access the design settings for your site header. This area allows you to customize several aspects of your header, but we're specifically interested in the padding today. Now here comes the fun part. In the design settings, you'll find a way to adjust the header's height. This effectively changes the padding, allowing you to increase or decrease the space at the top and bottom of your header. Simply drag the height adjustment up or down until you're happy with how it looks. This is a very visual process, so take your time and play around with it until it feels just right. After you've made your adjustments and you're satisfied with the new look of your header, don't forget the most critical step, saving your changes. Look for the Save button and click it. This will apply your changes, making the new header padding live on your site. And that's all there is to it. Adjusting the header padding on your Squarespace site is a simple yet effective way to customize the appearance of your website, ensuring it matches your style and preferences. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace is in its flexibility and ease of use, so don't be afraid to explore and experiment with different settings to make your website uniquely yours. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're tweaking your site for a brand new look or refining the details to perfection, these steps can make a significant impact. Happy designing!